Code is a super powerful form of leverage in business because it can do tasks repetitively, very fast, very cheap. And you don't have the issues of employing people, which if you've done it, it's not an easy game. And so just want to give you guys an update on what I've been working on for the last 4 days, which is an automation using n8n, which most people will be familiar with Zapier. It's pretty much the same thing, but slightly code heavier. And to be honest, I could have just written it all coded, but all in all, this is 10,000 words of code. It's by no means fantastic, but it's working and it's a proof of concept. So let me just walk you through and show you what we got. Okay, so let me zoom in here. So this is my computer that I'm working on. So I've got a flow here at the top where I've got something coming in from Airtable. Sorry, it's blurry. It's just how it's going to be while I talk about this. So we've got a trigger from when the lead comes in, and then this flow sends a WhatsApp message to them that's been initially templated by Meta. I think I can show you. No, I can't show you what that looks like. I'll delete it. Down here, so after they've received that message, if they then reply to us, I've got a flow here that when we receive a message, it sets off 2 flows. One which does a handshake with Meta to say, yeah, we can send a reply, and then this one actually logs the message that they've sent us, and it queues it in case we get several messages at once. And then we've got this nice big flow at the bottom here, which every minute will go through the database of the messages that are stored, and then it does a load of coding to manipulate the data. It finds the lead who sent the message in Airtable, it then runs it through an AI agent, then it simplifies the data that they've said to put it back and update the record, and then sends them a message, goes back to the AI to write a reply, and then sends it. Okay, so that's a brief look of what it does. Oops, sorry, hands in the way. And let me just zoom in here and show you. I don't know why this is so blurry. But anyway, this is a lead that I've been testing with. Kathy tested me, which is quite funny, and just the name I go with. And the sales notes are a bit janky, that hasn't been coming across properly, but this has all been through WhatsApp. To me, having a normal conversation. I found out that the kid's in year 11, currently at grade 5, aiming for a grade 7. The kid's name is Joe Blogs, and the motivation is that the mum saw the ad, wanted to try due to the great reviews, and it was the student who's originally asked for help. Now, of course, and then it sent them a link to book a video call. Now that whole exchange can happen by message, by WhatsApp. Typically that'll happen, I don't know, across 5 to 10 minutes maybe, of someone typing. Whilst doing other work, it's not that big a deal. The big thing that it does is it happens the moment they submit a form. So the moment they click inquire, they're going to get this message within a minute. So they're going to say, hey, I just saw you fill this out. We're here to help. I need some more details. Then we go through this. It's a really promising first sign, but it's taken a lot of work, and I just wanted to give you that update and just show you exactly how it works. And yeah, the quality really, really sucks. Sorry, not professional videographer, but a fun one for you guys to see that's come through to the CRM that we actually use, and I've had to do nothing, which is really awesome. Just me pretending to be a parent, WhatsApping replies, and AI handling it, all for the cost of less than 2p, which I'm stoked. And what's funny actually is earlier when I was testing this with a different model, I rinsed £5 in 30 seconds because I had the wrong model on. It got stuck on a loop and it just drained money. So there's risks, 100% there's risks, but we've got it working now. It's still not perfect, got a lot of tweaking to do, but I'm excited to iron those out, push the test cases, and it's not going to be 100%, and that's okay. But what hopefully we can get to is booking a number of calls in, that getting a lower efficiency of calls booked in than by a person, but it's still being more cost effective and increasing our leverage of the actual salesperson's time, which is taking sales calls. If it surpasses what humans can do, massive win. But that's not the intention. The intention is just to increase leverage, and I expect it's not going to be as good yet. But the more I refine it, the more use cases we give it, it might get better and better, who knows. But there you go. I was quite excited by that little update for you guys with a poor explanation, but I just wanted to get it out. There you go. Have a great one. All the best.